We're about to go to a Shingle Creek trail, a park or a place where you can bring your mountain bike and go around or just walk. This place is a gem here in Orlando. We are in South Orlando right now in the area of Hunters Creek. This trail is like behind a middle school, and it's just a place that most people don't know that exists, but you're gonna like it. Come with me. Being here is like I'm away from Orlando and I'm somewhere like up north, like maybe North Carolina, Georgia. This is beauty. I love it. Check out my free Orlando recommendation guide down here, and you're gonna find in that recommendation guide so many interesting things like spots, places to go, places to take your family, restaurants, and services. Many things. So right now we are in February, about to go to March. This is the time that in Central Florida comes the pollen. And it's a seasonal pollen that some people are really bothered with. Some people sneeze and they have to take some medicine. So, but you get used to it, and at the end of the day is what it is. There's a lot of green, a lot of plants, a lot of flowers. It is good for everybody, but for some people it might be a situation. So just, it's good to know. Wow, this place you can even smell so nice with the wood, the real wood. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. And also subscribe to my channel where you can find a lot of places like this that are gems, other places in Orlando, also tips and model homes and information and confirmation and education about how to sell and buy your property here in Orlando, Florida. Thank you for watching.